I'm back again, and people, me know. This and definitely not the regular settings, but me dey on my way. I gotta work right now, and me see one little topic. I'm gonna bring it to no attention. You see me? So first of all, I apologize for that setting here, and I saw it go on every time we can. Every time. Yeah man, I saw it go and every time we can get in at the studios with Uno and talk up the things them. You see me? So people, you know say Pampote and Richie Feelings, they depend on live, you see me? So them talk up a bag of things, them a talk about the girl when named Mackerel official. That girl, yeah, them a talk about her, and it's like them a say, yo, right now she in a trouble. Right now she don't have no talent, none at all. Because if she can just continue to talk about she a take people man, and that alone our topic, she in a trouble. Her career in a trouble. She need a good management team. She need good people around her. She don't need people where I go rob her up. She want people to steer her in the right direction. And quite frankly, I kinda agree with Richie Feelings them, you see me, because basically how the girl let it blow up on social media, you know. It's just because she continue to say, yo, she take people man, and because the people them see her in the ear couple time, and then the fight where did happen, where she get the chop in her face, you see me, which she did clear up that and say, yo, it happened long time ago. But then again, yo, in a no time, her subscriber count, her followers count on face Instagram grew from like 1,000 to 40,000, 50,000. A long time I not check it. Probably reach about 50,000 now. You see me? So basically what them a say, yo, she in a trouble. She literally in a trouble. You see me, people? Anyway, still, me I go play the live, make Uno get a better understanding of what I go on, and tell me if Uno agree with where Pampote and Richie Feelings I say, oh, me forget that part of them say she have a kid from she about 13. You see me? Which Uno go see that. Uno go see what go on. So people, Uno just watch out the live here, and you don't know it go. And I'm glad for all of the subscription them. I notice I get a lot of subscription over the past couple days. You see me? So obviously people them like the content, and people them help me if it grow. And I really appreciate that. So do the same, leave a like on the video if you like it. And people, little bit, just watch the live. Alright?
Anyway, people, want me on all the vibes. But before anything, I talk to you about a little girl named MACKEREL. See? I may have about 3 things to talk about. See?
Yeah man, we talk.
I want to talk to you about MACKEREL. Alright. I watch Triple X live. I think that I went yesterday, I went there Tuesday. See? Triple X live. MACKEREL. See? Triple X is a youth where he have sense, because I know him long time, and I know social media make me know him. Triple X is a youth always you know, test out him entertainment skills, him select him do a whole heap of things. See him? And I see my interview her, and realize say is he might try reads with her upon a thing, and I try show her some pointers, but she not take them. See? From how he reads with her, like him talk to her about school, because he say, yo, that's something where I go on now. It a go run, it a go fade because this is not a talent. And she just depend on people man. She have a little friend where she and a little friend par, and a little friend that say them a got art. See? She say she not learn nothing since she got school. See? Yeah, listening, because I remember say a good listener is a good learner, you know. They are the people in the live I say, boy, the friend that chat too much, and you know, them attack loud. Them attack louder than Triple X, and Triple X mouth loud. See? And them attack louder than Triple X. The girl say one thing. The girl say she go to school and she go graduate soon. MACKEREL not deal with that. When him ask MACKEREL she how much, MACKEREL say she 18. See? So MACKEREL 18. And MACKEREL tell them about the experience with man and all of them something there. MACKEREL say when her auntie tell her say she have stop talk to little boy and talk to big man where give her enough money. All them little boy give her Nah, give her nothing. Them a give her $500 and them money. Them remember what she said, me I repeat, you know. See? So, for you have your niece, and you gotta tell your niece, for you have your niece, and you gotta tell your niece, she must talk to big man and don't talk to little boy. Like, where's the guidance? See? And I believe, say, me never did know, say, that one, me know me hear good if you have a baby,
Yeah,
or what.
she have a baby.
See? Cause remember saying, you know, it's like, you see through them attack so loud and them, it like, it annoy me, that's me never done to watch the whole light. It annoy me, they were very vulgar. See? They were very vulgar. And too much vulgarity in a work, boy, yeah. I'm telling you something. See the internet hype you up so now, and then them drop your buffer morning. Perfect example. See how you right side of me, huh? Perfect example right side of me. Let me tell you something. When you have a slang is not a talent. A slang is a talk. It's a talk. Where you can just say, I mean, say, "Pam drop," and I say, you know, Pam put say, "Hey," you know what? Is that's a slang. So a slang is what you call people man nice. Seeing so, people man nice is not nothing to uplift anybody. And the girl says she gonna be our manager and whatever, but when me hear she says she gonna be our manager, like me I go say, we are gonna manage? Because there's nothing to manage. Because watch this now. Nobody now gonna call you for a stage show. People will call you for a look at because they know you have. Cause remember me look for me see she jump from 1,000 followers to 40,000 followers. Seeing? And it's like a deja vu this me I watch. I remember I saw the internet stay, you know. I saw the internet stay. Seeing? Stay unique. Remember say Triple X I say I'm willing to give her $2,000 or $2,500 if she go to school. And she not deal with that. She said, for what? For what? Seeing? I'm going to tell you this, people. School is a very important thing. Anything where you can go retain in your head of school, take it. Because after that, you have to go pay. Seeing? You have to go pay. And this is something where, trust me can't bash her because I believe she don't know any better. Remember, she's a teenage mother. She's a teenage mother, you know. Seeing? She's a teenage mother. That means that she have a child. And it's like, me don't know if the child, me don't know the child how much, but she just 18, she don't reach 19 yet. She have a baby when she 13. Seeing? Pampute says she have a baby when she 13. So that means that she was molested.
Last night, me and her talk last night. It was at Penticator last night. So she nice still.
She's a nice, listen, remember me see her in a Pampute. Yeah. And me just say it's a nice girl.
I just don't want nobody to use her because you see, and everybody lie. The mother see the hype on her now, run come her and say them can this and them can that. And I see people are come take disadvantage her already. People are come to take disadvantage her already. Cause you them see the hype on her, they come like with me, with the lady and them something there. People just see the hype and run come and say yes, hello. This, that, Ray, Blay and them something there.
Freddy.
You understand? So, cause people are easy.
Remember, you know, people, we on the internet, we like laugh. We like make a mockery of things and we love seriousness too. And all we laugh off of people. And all we just like how, alright. B-Zive have a song. Plus him have a dance with it. B-Zive will make money. B-Zive have a song. See?
Like when they're real rich.
This little girl don't have no song. True. She says she want to get joke. But me no see she get no joke when me a listen to her. She said she want to go to Dubai and people, man. Like every 2 words me hear out her mouth of people, man. You understand? And remember say, it's like we just, me watching it, me annoyed. Me very annoyed because when me see Triple X I try reason with her and I show her the right thing. And it's like she just...
She easily cuss it to you, not last night in prayer.
Yeah, she easily cuss.
You say nothing to her, she didn't like she just started.
Okay, so that is illiteracy. Okay, so that's illiteracy. And you see, illiteracy is a thing when mash up. I'm taught this all the while, it mash up. So that's mean like one time some people want good for it. It's like we are run from the good to so illiterate and dark. Seeing? And that is a big problem we have faced. And trust me, it's like, I don't know who can hold her and try talk to her.
I tried to talk to her last night. Now I'm telling her like, that, me can't help it if I talk. You can't help it. If you just be real and talk to her, talk to the girl and so I'm tell her, I say, look here, a lot of people will come and them say them a book for you and them a management and them a this and them a that, but enough people, them they read, just the eye, because if they see you normally, them never like you into you. You understand? So you have to know what you do.
What I'm saying is, everything when you tell her the right thing. But remember, she don't have a talent. This talent is not, people man is not a talent. That is not a talent. You understand? Yes, she have a nice body. Having a nice body, now go carry everybody through the world. Seeing?
Because some woman is shape bad and them alright and good same way. So
seeing having a nice body, you say some woman shape bad and alright and good with what?
Them good, Richie. Them good.
So where you say? Let me find out where you try to say about it.
Yeah, true, you say her body, whatever. Man can't say I like her too, you know. Although she have a little bit of syndrome, who have them stick a bush.
And the baby do it.
Oh, lab.
Everyone have them stick a bush.
Get where you know. Just let her beat up your father.
So Pampute.
She not like that. Man, you like her.
Hold on. Me and you on this program, we can't talk about anything. Reason about the right or reason about the wrong. Remember, people will not have a nice body make it. What I'm trying to say is, she has a slogan, say people man nice. And she want come out. Let her tell you the first thing. She said she want act.
She want meet Shibada.
But watch this now. She have to meet all of them.
She told me that last night.
You have to have a sense of humor with what you're saying. You see a sense of humor, me have a sense of humor. You have a sense of humor. You understand? You have a sense of humor. Because remember, say you don't take everything serious. Me run the worst joke them with you. And remember, you never tell me one day yet say, Richie, me not like it. Eh? The two of them are the same thing. Any one of them. Just take far. Right? So, me know me and you have a sense of humor. It's like a sense of humor. It's like you have to be charismatic. Wherein you have to go in a character. She show her character when me I watch it. And the character there, trust me, me not bring down nobody, but the character there, a whole heap of people going to have problem with it. Yes, when time somebody I try to tell you say, over there stuff.
That is true.
It's a volcano over there.
I'm over the dark, I'm go over there already.
Right?
Me realize
go over there.
Last
you understand? Remember, I see me see that, and when me see it, me I say, see the big problem that we are there. And once you go to Bama, them enroll you in
because
something.
Because the girl, we are manager, the girl I tell her something. And like she accost the girl, you chat too much, very, but the girl that tell her still in wrong, still in you know.
Warren Buffett. You know who them Warren Buffett? Warren Buffett is a financial advisor. I him advise the richest people in the world. See? So one of them man the way him have sense. And he make a quote. One of his quote was, money is not the root of all evil. Money shows your true character. Right? Remember, say, last week, when the video go out, and the video say, why go to just come out and people man nice and blah, 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 blah. Remember, say, and never the slogan with a look pan, you know, or the slang, you know. We did a look pan, or I then cast, and we did a look pan the ear. Right? Yeah. We never see her body because her upset she did have the phone. Yeah, we did just come out and think of that we did a look pan. What Ketri was how she look. Right? How she look. And then when the video put out with her face bust up. When her face bust up and the whole world laugh and I say, look man, she take people man. Because remember say most of social media did a bash her.
Yeah.
After the video goes up and they show the bust up face and then she do another video and say, yo, this come from this are from December, 3 months ago this. I want to still talk about that. Show me which part my face bus. The bus was right there. The mark was there. but I threw it heal up, right? But it was like it was so bad that it leave an instant mark, right? And the next thing when we go to Bama, she do the video and say, we notice her ear did one change.
Yeah.
You understand? So right away to me, I look at it and I say, this girl need guidance, this girl need assistance financially. Then me got here say she have a child. I said, Jesus Christ, I'm a daughter this because guess what? She's 18 years old.
Yeah, and Kevin 18.
Right, she 18. So right away me I say, this is my daughter.
True.
See? But when you try correct a person in not doing the wrong thing, it can cause a rift if them don't want, because it them will make you look like you have sense. And that me see them do it triple X. I mean know him have sense.
Yeah.
Me know triple X access. And I ask nobody this. Me know him have sense.
True.
And me must say me watch triple X, them a silent him. Me watch them a mute him. And me I say joke this. And true him no want to lose it because him a try play nice.
Yeah.
Him a try play nice. Me know him did feel fit talk about a thing, but him hold him composure because sometimes I just have to swallow your spit.
Yes.
See? And him swallow him spit. So, sometimes people have just drop on them own sword because watch this as I tell you now. A trend in Jamaica I deal with now. See?
As somebody bust a little slang, everybody want to run for manage. And me a manage. And me a manage.
Remember this, you know? Alright. Let me tell you something. Alright. Let me tell you something. You see F, when you go to Bama, when you take out the $1,000 stuff,
yeah,
and you give Barbara. You give Barbara the $1,000 and she say, yes ma'am, Jesus Christ, thank you. And she hold up the $1,000 and her friend say, no man, give me something out that. And she said, maybe give you something out of this. Look man, you have your 2 items, me have my 2 items, and Ray Blanche she go out her bag of thing. And me see it come, one pampute, ask her. Me no want you.
True.
Me no want you and tell her to careful her. Because me know what did that happen. But Pampute never hear. Pampute, that's why you hear. Experience causes wisdom, you know. Because me want her, you know. Remember me want her. Me say Pampute. Pampute. And me call her and talk to her and say, see this way you do. It's nice and everything, but to say ungratefulness always cause disaster. And me live to come see it. And here, you know. A true. Here, you know. A true, you know.
I true, Richie.
A true, you know.
People in want me for true.
A true, you know. If me did hear what Richie said, true, you
I
know.
know what the artist think to like. Some people come and bash you and attack things and whatever. Me I say, look how me take my them lunch money and give it to this lady here. I mean, one day come out, me never talk, me no bash now, nothing, and people from our boat come and here. Different things.
Come down over there, sit down over there, and eat the food. Come down, don't climb up back here, so. Sit down over there, so. Take that over there and go around there, so.
Remember say no, people, this is really serious. Because me tell you, I'm not telling lie, Richie want me. Come baby.
Right? Remember, I know.
Want me for true.
You see, in a life,
I have a son, everybody have manage.
I will like have this and make me get at in man. I say, I need it, man. Really? Yeah, make me have a problem. Just go and go sit down.
Everybody. Yeah, she take this, she take
What's
that. And man say, oh, I pay $500, I pay $5,000 and $10,000 and $8,000. She make me get, did I get nothing?
Alright.
Before me know, did I get something?
Make I tell you no. Make I tell you no. Again, the next thing. You say if Pampute did put on the internet and say, you see anybody who want to help this girl, send the money in her name here, because people did want to help her, because I mean look on her, you see, she did want assistance. But Pampute wasn't doing that. Pampute talk about if you want to do ads. If you want to do ads, you can just do this and you can do that. When Pampute, a child part of way there, but if Pampute did say, because remember, I know everything fall out over one microwave. Right? One microwave. Right? So if them did put out and say, she need assistance, she need a bed, she need a stove, she need a fridge, she need a everything. If Pampute did put up that, probably did a work out bad same way, but it did a work out a little better. You understand? So this is what me see happen now. Seeing we are gonna reach that girl because it are gonna end up that people are gonna disrespect her. Seeing? Because remember, you not reach nowhere yet. You not reach, you not take a bus to the country yet. And my sister, Triple X, just watching Triple X something, Triple X was strangely and cuss you out. Because he might tell you about school and you don't want to hear about school.
And you have people right now say them a book fair and this and
See?
people money.
And you have to know what you do. If you say you want, like sometimes I better you put up a GoFundMe and say, yo, GoFundMe for buy a bed or GoFundMe for buy a fridge or GoFundMe for do something. See? So, I not do help on she all day. See? I just say, this is not something where we don't know say I go crumble because guess what? Nothing is there to build up. See? This come like, one time we are like coal fire and water and rain wet it and it's hard for light, the coal hard for light.
Yeah.
You know them coal eh?
Yeah.
Right?
Stubborn. Me and MACKEREL, we don't have an issue with MACKEREL and nothing, just a talk. I
don't have an issue with her, So we need to know say I don't have an issue with her. I just show say people just take it the wrong way because guess what? She need guidance. Because she was
the disadvantage comes already.
Yeah,
her.
she have a child at 13 and now she's 18 years old. Right? She did a go to school. Now she says she don't need to go to school. Because she go dance and people are gonna just trust me, I know selector stay. They're gonna make a macro out of her. You understand? And she don't look like she trouble with
anybody
low
want to call
self-esteem.
in, you can add to the live and you can talk to, so you can talk.
Nana's body care. People. Big up my friend Nana. Remember, up a Nana's up a limelight there, so. And them sell the baddest cologne them. Every cologne you can name. And them have it up there. Them have everything. Them have all vagina spray. Right? Them have all vagina spray and them have tea spray, teapot spray, them have everything. Them have scented candle, them have everything up there. Me not doing the woman still, One little short about the name, none of show her name, But men are alright.
Yeah.
Right? I have to give her a promotion, cause she alright. See? Big up yourself, Alfred Music. See? Here what my next issue now. Cause I'm telling you something about cheating to talk about. See? See them use a style, hype is everlasting but never casting.
You love Chaddy. Remember some people around to tell me something from Chaddy, People them call me and say, Pampute, me don't like how Richie run a joke over there, And this and that,
Alright, hear this.
do spice, and him have to use so,
Me do spice